Welcome to Inside the Factory Secrets. The detail. See how leopard leather becomes true luxury.
The fractal anomaly stabilizes right at the apex of the gold sequence.
And the mutation resistance holds.
The grain consistency here is excellent.
Agreed, the ridge definition is flawless.
Cleaned, stabilized, and verified, the leopard leather is now ready to evolve from raw material into refined luxury.
Laser engraving head marks each sheet with QR plus serial code, referencing synthetic leopard batch ID.
Processing incoming shipment 404. Ensure all bio containers are secured before transit.
perfect elasticity.
We need to optimize the projection alignment before the next cycle.
I agree. The current mapping shows a slight deviation on the lower left.
Look at the detail on sheet 4B. The algorithm is optimizing the gradient perfectly.
Yes, the tensile strength holds.
Calibration sequence initiated. Verifying color depth against standard. Looks accurate.
Scan sequence initiated. All 20 sheets verified for uniformity in color grading. The $1 million selection.
Make sure the pH levels are balanced for this load.
Already done, we should be ready to move them by the afternoon.
Check the humidity levels on drum 12. We need to maintain the golden brown consistency.
It's holding steady at 65%. The batch load looks good.
The pressure is too high on this one. Too loud.
Yeah, I'm trying to vent the steam.
This visualization shows the precise moment of alignment.
Readings match the parameters.
Confirmed. We are cleared for the next cycle.
As you can see on the graph, the material is exceeding our expectations for this thickness. The leopard grain
Resistance passed. The UV levels on batch 4 are stable.
Good. Keep the conveyor speed at 200.
Look at that finish. It's exactly what the client wanted.
Yeah, beautiful. We can sign off on this one.
We need to adjust the scaling on this leopard pattern before the laser run.
I agree. It looks slightly off on the curve right here.
This cut needs to follow the rosette exactly.
Yes, but the alignment here is off by 2 millimeters.
Adjust the laser calibration on base 3.
We need to ensure the gold leaf aligns perfectly with the schematic here.
The tolerances are extremely tight on this run.
Steady now, just adjusting the power slightly. We want that perfect edge definition.
Confirmed alignment. Activate adhesive sequence. Proceed to node 4.
So when you scan the product, the augmented reality shows the full supply chain data.
Yeah.
And look at the micro details here. The leopard pattern confirms it's authentic.
Cycle count stable, no tear propagation yet.
Leopard texture holding perfectly. Increase cycle speed.
Hold it! 90 kilonewtons. Still intact.
Surface integrity at 98%. Continue fourth abrasion cycle.
Zero discoloration. Biomatrix resisted full acid exposure.
Inside the world's largest leopard leather industry.
Stop stitch integrity, 100% maintained.
Inside the world's largest leopard leather industry.
Zero deformation. Surface texture intact.
Pass.
Alert, counterfeit.
Projected lifespan: 5 decades with 92% pattern retention.
Ensure the texture alignment is flawless on the chase.
It is done. The robotic scan should confirm the symmetry.
In the leopard leather mega industry,
Convoy is moving. All units maintain perimeter watch. Sector Gamma is clear. All units, confirm biometric status. We are rolling out. Securing the rear gate.
The cellular regeneration is almost flawless now.
We finally achieved the perfect texture. Welcome to the leopard leather mega industry.
The texture refinement here is exquisite, Master G. We finally captured the precise dermal structure digitally,